We undertook a project looking at food and drink. So one of the things we identified was an incident which could relate to safeguarding concerns. An individual, very vulnerable lady, managed to pull a hot meal onto herself. While she was lying in a hospital bed, it was acknowledged by the health service that she did require support to eat, but wasn't put far enough out of her reach. So she was able to claw it with a fork, tipped it over herself, and there was no immediate response at that time from the ward staff. Our visiting team came to help the patient, undertook some assessments, made reference to Burns protocols, which is what happens when a serious incident occurs. We did engage with the patient later on, so it did appear that they were unharmed, which is fantastic to see and hear. I then have to raise it with the health board because it is a potential harm that's come to a patient, which I did do so. The health board received that on the 19th of February, and on the 26th of February, just a week later, they had made changes as a result of the incident report we'd submitted. Llais's aims are to respond to what matters most to our communities. The only way we identify what matters most to our communities is if they speak to us. Our aim is to move beyond the virtual bubble that COVID created and be in our communities.